Hello guys, this is hvac coming back with another video. In this video we're gonna be looking at a pretty cool HVAC hack that can really help you guys on either a maintenance on service call. It's really helpful when you're by yourself. I use it a lot of times, or when I'm on a condo, second floor. It does have a little bit of a distance it can go, but it's really helpful. So hopefully I give you guys a little idea, and then you can just use it however you like. All right, thank you guys. Bye. Also, another thing with the vacuum, I've been noticing a lot, like when the hose is hooked up to the drain. Most of the time when you're about to prime it, adding like the water back to the drain line after you turn it off, sometimes it creates like air pockets. So I feel like if your vacuum hose, if you open a hole on the bottom, if you put the water, it won't get stuck in the drain. It will drain through the bottom of your vacuum hose, right? That's probably one thing I would change. Okay, I keep finding little Jimmies. I'm telling you guys, I find a lot of Jimmies. My journey as an AC man.